Welcome to lesson 5. Let's get started. All right, we are back. We are back in the strategy quant X software. Okay, we're going to pick up where we left off in custom projects. Here is the custom project that we loaded in the last lesson. We're going to open it, and then we're going to click on the button Start. Okay, now we're going to generate trading strategies. Okay, all these strategies will end up into the MC final folder after it runs through this entire project. Okay, we're going to generate 1,000 strategies, and this may take 24 to 48 hours to do depending on the capacity of your computer. So we'll see you back here when we have generated 1,000 strategies. We've let our project run for 1 day and 5 hours, and we have 1,303 strategies in the MC Final tab. Let's stop this and choose the best strategy. How to pick the strategy. Number 1, a high fitness rating. The fitness rating can be toggled right here. So we double click on this. 63 is the lowest fitness level. We double click again. 92 is the highest fitness level. Number 2, a high number of trades. You can toggle the number of trades right here, or you can just look from the high fitness level and see how many trades are being done. It looks like trades in the 1,000 mark are in the high level, and 500 are in the lower level of this fitness level in the high 90s. Number 3, a smooth equity curve. Double click on the strategy, then click on equity curve. And now you can visually see the equity curve year after year. Here's an example of a smooth equity curve. Here's an example of an equity curve that I'm not really a fan of. It goes up from 2008 to roughly 2015 and seems to flatline for a long time. I'm not really a fan of this. I want to see some year after year increases on the strategy. Number 4, recent good performance. On this equity chart right here, we can see the last 2 years from 2020 to 2021 have done very well. So I've picked my strategy. It's right here. It's got a fitness level of 91. It has over 1,000 trades, and I like the equity curve, especially the recent years for 2020 and 2021. So next I'm going to save it into an MT4 expert advisor. So I click on source code, I go to MT4 expert advisor, and I click save. And that's the end of lesson 5. See you in lesson 6.